G350 high-speed 6-axis automatic CNC gear hobbing machine. Support both dry and wet cutting dry. It offers a user-friendly Siemens system. The lifting mechanism feeds the gear blank, and a gripper transfers the gear blank to the work table through the loading and unloading rotary mechanism. It has 6-axis and 4 linkages, perfect for high-speed and high-efficiency gear machining. It can work stably even in batch production. Support modules up to 8 and a max diameter of 360. Automatic hobbing creates more efficient processing and lower production costs. They can process various gears, cylindrical gears, sprockets, pulleys, worm gears, etc.